Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the dark mode on your Google Pixel 7. For that, you want to go to your settings again and then go to display. And then appearance, you see here dark theme will never turn off automatically. It's on right now. If you turn it off, it will switch back to a light themed background. You can also see it here on your search bar. It's white. Go back to your menu, also white background. If you then go back and turn it off again, then your phone is in dark mode again. The dark theme will help you save some battery, so your phone battery is longer lasting. It's also nice if you're under low light conditions and then your phone is set to dark theme. It's just nicer to read on your phone. It's nicer for your eyes. But it's totally up to you. If you think it's nicer in the light theme, then you just put it back in the light mode again. That's how you can turn on and off the dark mode on your Google Pixel 7. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.